the same part of this set 54, this next little bit is also group work, but it is grouped in threes. So 3 groups this time, not to be confused. So if you're group 1, you'll do the hold, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to use your silk and strip it over. 1, 2, 3. Come back. 3. Just like this. In a lunge. If you're group 2 or 3, group 2, you're going to do hold, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, 3, and then go over 4, 5, 6. Same with group 3, except you're going to do hold, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, go over 7, 8, 9. Now, the first 2 groups, you're going to hold in that position, in that lunge, until group 3 gets done on count 9. And on count 10 is when everybody comes together and you move. So you're going to lunge, and then you're going to pull the silk back, do a little toss, and catch it down. And that'll be on 10, 11. Then on 12, 13 will be 12, 13. And that's the end of that set right there. Okay, this next set is set 55. It's a 20 count set, and it starts on measure 274. 20 count set. It's still in an awkward 3/4 time. It changes up, just 20 counts. So everybody's together at this point. You just ended on 13. You're going to go 1 up 2, 3 up 4, up 4. Your hands look like this. You're facing the back. 4. Then you're going to do a cone. 5, 6, 7. 7, you're down. Then you're going to come up on 8 and do it with a lunge. 8, 9, 10. 10, you're facing the front. Your left hand should be over, your right hand should be under. So here on 10, then you're going to scoop forward 11, 12 and make it really dramatic. 11, 12. Then you're going to roll your flag down back to a right slam. 13, 14. You're going to slash it to your left. 15. And you're going to change both of your hands at that point. So your right hand is under, your left hand is kind of over. 15. Then you're going to scoop it to your right. 16, 17. It should be up like a unicorn horn. 17. And then you're going to let it fall back. 18, 19, 20. And 20 you're flat. And when you go back on 18, you should get on your tiptoes. Okay, this is set 56, measure 281. It's a 16 count set. What you just did was the 20 counts where you were 17, 18, 19, 20. So you're flat on 20. You're going to dip it, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're prepping for this helicopter toss you did earlier in the show. You should be in a lunge. Out on 5, catch 6. It's a baby helicopter toss. Just like a half of one, just to make it easier. We could change it later on, but for right now it's a half. So you're here on 6. You catch on 6. You're going to do a cone. 7, 8. And then you're going to do a prayer toss. The prayer toss is where you push the flag up and your hands come up like you're praying. And that is 9, 10, 11, 12. You catch on 11 in a right slam, and you come flat on 12. Very important. The next part is a leg trick. You're going to go 13, grab 14, 15, step 16. On 16 you step and you grab. So your left hand should be at tab over and your right hand should be at about bottom cheater, maybe a little bit up, like grabbing under, I guess you could kind of say. It just depends on your perspective of it. But your hand should look like this. 16 in your here, and you're facing this end zone. So this is the last 16 and 8 plus 1 of the show. So we're just going to group it all together. You just did the leg trick. 13, 14, 15, 16. Come back. 16. So you're here. Your right hand should be about bottom cheater. Your left hand is at tab. What you're going to do is you're going to scoop the flag down. And as you scoop the flag down, you can move your right hand closer to tab if it helps you. You're going to scoop down. You're going to come up. You'll face it back. Scoop back down to the front and back up. So your hands look like this. This is count 4. So we'll do that again. 13, 14, 15, 16. 1 up, 2, 3, up, 4. And then you're going to switch your right hand. So your right hand should be like you're smacking somebody right now. So grabbing like normal, like a drop spin on 5. Switch on 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're just scooping it down and tucking it. So you're here on 8. And you're going to do a, what I call McDonald's. Other people call it different things. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Money grab on 13. The tempo here is kind of awkward and it makes you want to grab on 12. The important thing is to be together. Even if the counts change, you need to be money grabbing on 13. Okay. 13, you're going to scoop it down. 14, 13, 14, sorry. And you're going to do a cone on 15, and then you're going to bring your flag up to this angle, slide your left hand in, slide your right hand to the tip of the pole by 16. So it's really awkward, I know, but so you're here on 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It kind of all fits together. You do a cone and then you kind of pull it up and your arms are spread and your right hand is over at the tip. Left hand doesn't really matter, but right hand's at the tip. So you're here on 16. The last 8 counts is the finishing stuff. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, out 5, catch 6. Do a better catch than that. Catch 6, probably at flat. That's what works best. You're here on 6. You're going to push up 7, 8. Back like you were earlier. 7, 8. And then you're going to pull the flag down and strip it. 1. It didn't work that time with the strip. But basically what you do is you have your flag up and you use a lot of force and a lot of control and you pull it down and the flag strips. And you're going to end like that on 1. So it'll be like 1. And you'll be looking at the crowd all forcefully